Hi guys, another little item I found in my stock of stuff. It's one of those Meccano clone kits, some sort of a buggy, but I can see it's one that I've put an electric motor on. I don't think for 1 minute it came with an electric motor originally, so this is stuff that I've added to it. Yeah, hot glued in place, adjustable steering, and I've got an old nickel metal hydride battery on there with magnets for making the connection. Oh, so we'll stick that on the floor. Being as the steering's actually turning already, I probably don't need to tether it. It'll probably go round in circles on its own, because I don't know if that battery's fully charged, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, it's not steering at all. I think I'll put it on a tether. And there we go. Well, that seems to be going okay. Oh, slipped. Spun round. It's going very slowly because the wheels are spinning because it's got no grip at the moment. That battery right at the front is unbalancing it. Let's give it a bit of weight. There we go. Well, if I can find the original build for that, I'll put a link in the video description. Yeah, we'll call that one a success. I wonder when I did that. Just in case you missed what I said at the beginning there, nickel metal hydride battery, and then the motor, the wires on that, I've got magnets on the end, so you can just connect them on there. He says, yeah, there we go. So that gives us our electrical contact. So you don't need an on-off switch. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.